Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video finally we will try to understand how to make use of Maven, how to build or test using Maven. Now friends, this is IntelliJ and we would be able to see how to make use of Maven using IntelliJ. When it comes to Eclipse, it's pretty straightforward. We have already seen things in Eclipse. We can simply right click, navigate to run as, and there are options of Maven. But when it comes to IntelliJ, there is no such option. You won't find those options of Maven right away. For that, in here to this extreme right hand side, we have this Maven option. And using this Maven option, we can check out or we can perform the Maven related operations. So in here we have lifecycle plugin and dependencies option. If we check the dependencies, it will show the list of all dependencies which are imported via Maven. Now friends, when it comes to IntelliJ, things are a little different. It handles things per module version. It handles Maven as a module as far as I know. So this Maven is nothing but a module to our existing project. Now one of the submodule is lifecycle. Definitely there is also plugin, we can see that. And we have installed this Surefire plugin, enabling us running the JUnit test directly from Maven. So plugins are there, dependencies are there into our existing project, and using this option of lifecycle we can perform different operations like if we would like to refresh the project, we can simply clean the project, or for example we wish to re-import, we have like couple of options, for example re-import and things like that. In order to re-import, we need to simply right click on the project and we have this option of re-import. So we have like a similar option similar to Eclipse on JUnit, and in here we can run the tests directly using Maven. This is possible. Let me show you. So now Maven is running tests and it has ran 5 tests, out of which there is a 0 failure and 0 error. Cool. And we can also use this option of install, and using this install I'm pretty sure we would able to get a build. So here is the build success. So we have built a project. So things are pretty cool in here, and this is how we can make use of the Maven option. Pretty simple and straightforward. So before ending this video, I urge you guys to revisit any video if you don't understand, and practice is something which is very important. You can definitely practice more, check out more, and you would be able to definitely run the test cases, make better test cases, and experiment with JUnit further. So testing, practicing, and exploring is required on your part. So this is Chand signing off from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.